Now look at the board that how SHE is just used to calculate the potential for the other cell, right. So in this example what I have a zinc electrode dipped in zinc sulfate solution. That means the cell which is under investigation, that means the cell whose electrode potential we wish to know, right. So this I have taken and this I have just attached to the SHE, right. So you can take the either combinations, like I have taken on this side and I have taken SHE on this side, you can take on the other way also, right. So what we will be doing, we know that the reaction will take place and definitely the electrons will be produced and they will be just moving, right, and we will just look at the direction of the flow of the electrons, right. So by looking at the direction of the flow of electrons, we will just come to know the direction of the electric current, or we will just get to know that which cell is going to act as anode or which cell is going to act as cathode, right, with respect to the SHE, right. So what I have done, again zinc rod in ZnSO4 and this is the RSHE. So what happens, zinc has a tendency, like when it is combined to this, so it has a tendency to get oxidized. So what happens, what we get to see, it loses 2 electrons and form this Zn2 positive, right. So this Zn2 positive are going in this side and electrons are just moving along, right. So that means electrons are just moving along this side and they are reaching SHE, right. So obviously what is occurring here, oxidation is occurring here, and the terminal where the oxidation occurred act as anode, right. So what happens when the electrons reach here, these hydrogen ions take up electron and form the hydrogen gas. That means the reduction occurred with respect to this zinc electrode, right. So that means it is going to act as cathode, right. Now in doing so we will be just getting the value for the EMF as well, right. Like the EMF value what we get is 0.76. What we get, like as we know the EMF for this is 0. So what EMF which is actually indicated by the by the cell is just the EMF for the cell which is under investigation. That means this EMF is for the zinc one, that means Zn2 positive electrode, it is for this, right. But what change you have to do in the value for the electrode potential when you connect with the SHE, you just have to prefix the sign accordingly. As you know that if the given cell, you can say if the oxidation is occurring in the given cell which is under investigation, the value is going to be taken in negative. So as I told you, the EMF comes out to be 0.76, but for the zinc if we will be using this EMF separately for this cell, it is going to be minus 0.76 volt. The reason for this is because we know that in case of oxidation, the oxidation electrode potential value is taken in negative. So this is how we get to know, right. And similarly if we just attach the copper cell, like the copper electrode with this SHE, and we get to know, so with respect to the copper, this will get oxidized and the copper is going to get reduced. So similarly we will get a value and we have to just prefix a sign accordingly, just looking at that whether the oxidation is taking place or the reduction is taking place. This is something very important because this SHE is just making us know the electrode potential for any other cell, and after knowing that we can just use it in a couple, and accordingly we can have you can say working of the electrochemical cell, that is the production of the electric energy.